Welcome back to the channel. Now, let's get into today's question. Is India working on a 6th-generation fighter jet? It's a big one, and the answer might surprise you. What exactly is a 6th-generation fighter jet? Before we talk about India, let's get one thing straight. What makes a fighter jet 6th generation? We've gone from the early days of dogfighting in the skies with basic jets, to today's ultra-sophisticated stealth aircraft. The 5th generation, like the American F-35 or the Russian Su-57, already has stealth, advanced avionics, sensor fusion, and supercruise. But the 6th generation? That's a whole new level. These jets are expected to feature optionally manned capability, meaning the plane can be piloted or flown autonomously. AI-assisted decision-making. Advanced stealth and electronic warfare systems. Drone swarm control, where one manned fighter controls multiple unmanned systems. Directed energy weapons, like lasers. And next-level networking, connecting all battlefield assets into a seamless combat system. Basically, these jets won't just fly, they'll think, adapt, and fight in ways never seen before. Where does India stand today? India has been working hard to build up its indigenous fighter capabilities. The HAL Tejas, a 4.5-generation light combat aircraft, has already entered service and is being upgraded into the Tejas Mk2. But the real game-changer is the AMCA, the Advanced Medium Combat Aircraft. This is India's upcoming 5th-generation stealth fighter, being developed by the Aeronautical Development Agency, ADA, and Hindustan Aeronautics Limited, HAL. AMCA is designed to have stealth features, internal weapon bays, supercruise capabilities, and advanced avionics. It's India's entry into the 5th-generation club, and it's expected to fly in prototype form within the next few years. Is AMCA just the start? Now here's where things get interesting. The AMCA isn't just a 5th-gen project, it's also being designed with future upgrades in mind. According to officials from DRDO and ADA, the AMCA will be developed in 2 phases. Mark I, which will be a 5th-generation aircraft, and Mark II, which will incorporate 6th-generation technologies. So while India may not have officially launched a full-fledged 6th-generation fighter program yet, it's already laying the foundation with AMCA. Think of AMCA Mark II as a bridge between 5th and 6th gen, or what some experts call a 5 or 6 5-gen fighter. The technologies being developed. Let's talk about the tech. A number of advanced systems are either in development or being researched in India that point towards 6th-gen capabilities. Artificial intelligence and autonomy. Indian defense labs are working on AI that can assist pilots in decision-making, and even enable autonomous drones and aircraft. India is developing unmanned combat drones, like the Ghatak UCAV and the ALFAS drone swarm, which could be paired with manned fighters, a core concept in 6th-gen warfare. Directed energy weapons. There's active R&D into laser-based defense systems. These may not be ready yet, but work is definitely underway. Advanced stealth materials and avionics, new radar-absorbing materials, integrated sensor networks, and future-ready electronic warfare suites are part of ongoing projects. So even without a formal 6th-generation fighter program, these individual technologies are all building blocks of that future platform. International collaborations and strategic vision. India isn't going at it alone either. There's talk of cooperation with countries like France, UK, and Japan, all of whom are working on next-gen fighters. India could benefit from shared R&D, engine technology, and maybe even participate in joint design projects. HAL and DRDO have also been increasingly open to partnerships with private defense tech firms, both domestic and international.